Founders in Onpassive. Our belief in Onpassive should be unshakable. No one or any other company operating now is going to give us founders what Onpassive is going to give us. The value we receive from Onpassive is mind-blowing. Why are we hearing all of this nonsense? All of the slander, all of the half-truths, all of the lies about our CEO, Mr. Ashmafare. Those things are being perpetrated by those who do not want Onpassive to succeed. Do not fall into the trap of doubting Onpassive. No one is looking forward to Onpassive opening to the world more than Mr. Ashmafare and his family and technical staff and most founders. Some founders are looking at negative videos about Onpassive and Mr. Mafare and believing the lies. Those founders viewing those videos are making themselves targeted traffic for the naysayers at no cost to the naysayers. The belief in Onpassive should be stronger than when we were first introduced to Onpassive. Onpassive has gotten stronger and stronger each day. Onpassive is like a snowball that starts out small, and the more it rolls, the bigger and bigger it gets. Founders are in that position now. Onpassive is going to triumph over all the negative on the internet about Mr. Mafare. Competitors are waking up. They know that Onpassive is real. They have done their due diligence. They have researched Mr. Mafare and they know that he is legitimate. They see the infrastructure that is in place with Onpassive. They know exactly where Onpassive is located in Hyderabad. They know that Onpassive occupies this beautiful building that is housing the brilliant technical people that Mr. Mafare has hired to work for Onpassive. The reason they know that is because those employees used to work for them. The competitors know what is about to happen, and they say to us, "Do not believe your lying eyes, because Onpassive is a mirage. Believe us." If the competitors thought that Mr. Mafare and his staff did not have the ability to launch Onpassive, we would not be hearing all the negative talk. Get away from those dream stealers. Do not let them make you do things that could affect your family and loved ones. Onpassive is here to stay. No one has our interests more than Mr. Mafare and his family. He is building Onpassive for all of us. Let us all support him 100%. Do not become victims of the scammers you see all over the internet. Think about it. Every successful company does not offer to its members founders positions. Onpassive does. The only way people will be part of those giant companies is that they become shareholders by buying stock. Onpassive founders do not have to worry about that. We are so in it to win it.